Hi everybody, welcome to Moo Moo Cow Toys. Today we will be opening the Grossery Gang Vial Vending Machine, which is on the 2016 Toys R Us Hot Toy list for this holiday season. So it comes with 20 Grossery Gang characters in the vending machine and 4 surprise characters in the milk crates on the side. This is the side of the box. And this is the back of the box. Awesome. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start opening this up. So this is the side. Has the 4 surprise groceries in there. And they're all in this neon green milk crate. Very neat. Okay, now I'm just going to open this box up and get all our 20 characters out. And it comes with a collector's guide right there. You can see they're all ultra rare characters. Alright, looks like this is Stale Muffin and Barf Biscuit. And this is Snot and Pepper. So cute. And now we have Rotten Raspberry. So nice and sparkly. Okay, looks like this is Cracked Cracker. Oh no. And we have Lolly Slop. And next is Yuck Yogurt. I think that's a spoon up top right there sticking out. It looks like we have a Rotten Egg. And that's a Spotty Zit Cream. Very cool. Terrible Tomato Sauce is next. Looks like we have Lame Licorice. Very nice. And a Crusty Chocolate Bar. It's been eaten and bitten. Oh boy. And looks like we have Bad Soy. It looks angry, this Bad Soy. And this is Stinky. And we have Leaky Juice. Oh, orange leaky juice coming up top on the side. And this is Sticky Soda. Alright, let's go to our surprise milk crate boxes and open these up and see which characters we get inside. So I'm going to take that out. Looks like there are eyes there and a big question mark. Okay, let's go. Looks like it's Stinky Mint. Ooh, Stinky Mint. Yeah, nice. I'm just going to put Stinky Mint right back into that milk crate. Okay. Next up. Looks like it's Grimy Lime. Ew. Not sure what that's supposed to be, but it looks gross. Looks like we have Gooey Chewy, a purple Gooey Chewy with a green mouth and teeth. Back in that crate you go. And our last crate. And that's Gooey Smooch. Alright. And those are our 20 characters from the Vial Vending Machine. And let's get to our Crusty Chocolate Bar Groceries blind bags. Let's open these up. And we have a collector's guide right here. Very handy to keep around. And let's pop this chocolate bar open. It comes with 2 blind bags. Looks like we have sticky soda. Very cool. And the next one. It's disgusting mustard in a purple bottle. You can see all that yellow mustard oozing out. Ew. Alright, let's get to our next chocolate bar. And our collector's guide. Looks like we have Yuck TV dinner from Badly Frozen, and this is a rare one. So that's really cool. Alright, next up. Looks like this is Not Nice Pretzel. Ooh, has a little blue mold growing on it. And another collector's guide. Okay, and let's pop this chocolate bar open. And it's Cruddy Chip. A purple Cruddy Chip with green mold growing on it. Very nasty. And the next one. Ooh, this is Awful Apple from Moldy Veg, and it has that moldy finish on it, which feels a little like peach fuzz. And this is an ultra rare one, so that's really, really cool. Alright, and our last Crusty chocolate bar. And our collector's guide. Okay, let's open this up now. Looks like we have Leaky sunscreen from Bathroom Supplies with sunglasses on. Very, very nice. And our last one. Ooh, looks like we have Red Hot Chili from Moldy Veg, which is ultra rare. Very cool. How nice to end it with an ultra rare one. Thank you everybody for watching Moo Moo Cow Toys. I had a blast opening up all these Grossery Gang characters. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know which is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.